geçti o? Ha? Ama hiç değerli alışma. MJ, you know you're not trapped in there, right?
Do you not like my hat? Dad, you cannot take Oscar to get his balls cut off. That is like taking away his arm and his leg.
No, no, la policía, no.
Молодец!
Get back here! Get back here! Give me that. What? What's that? Oh my god.
They surely will put that pressure on. Oh, no, 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 no. That's going to cost production.
Says Larry angrily while running a ways.
Cupid, the economy's in shambles. We're gonna have to start monetizing you.
Shake your ass.
No! I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Colgando del techo, así de literal. Colgando.
Estaba paralizado, con mucho miedo y no me podía mover. Enfrente de mí estaba...
Brake, you got your throttle, you got your gear lever, AFR gauge, fan switch, steering wheel, you got all that?
Larry is standing there speechless in front of his arch nemesis.
Hey. Hey, Wasabi, hey y'all, I just wanted to let y'all know, my name Angelique. That's my actual first name. Wasabi!
Bruno, you want to try banana? Banana?
Cleo, what the f are you doing?
Ay, mire.
Get the f out of here. Okay, get the fuck out.
It's automatic.
Dude.
Stop it right now. Tilt the bottle. A little more stress, getting kind of close.
Bob is in the timeout burrito because of aggravated squirming and hooking her claw in my nostril.
Pick on peeners your own size. They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once. Oh my gods, this cow milks is the best drinks I've ever had.
The camera. Good girl. She's purring.
Dams you take them, but knows that I...
Daqui não faz nada. Mas vai fazer.
Jesus Christ! Can't a man get one f***ing minute apiece?
Sends me the monies now, or you'll wreck. They said silliness is good.
He gave us both like $100. He's like, you guys go somewhere, like, please. Go get a drink or something. Miso! Ah! Miso!
I stares at James' face, realizing this is not just any milks.
Wird gepflegt von ganz bestimmten Interessenten.
Excuse me.
Ollie, look at me. What are you doing?
Returns, and I will explode all your peeners.
You gotta be.
This is impossible. I exploded all your peeners.
Tecnologia! 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 Tecnologia!